Sako to me. This is Vlogmas Day 2. I thought I would process yesterday's videos and post them up today, but it seems that my Computron is not handling High Sierra very well. Yeah, it's not handling it well at all. It's been probably a half an hour and it's still booting and stuff is still locking up. Kinda sucks for my productivity. So it's been just shy of an hour. My computer is still having trouble launching programs. I think it's done booting, but it's having trouble launching programs. Simple programs, small programs, like nothing Adobe related or anything. I just want my computer to work. I suppose while I'm waiting for my computer to get its head out of its ass, I can talk about a little something that I'm finding myself doing while I'm waiting, and that is I have Trichotillamania, which means I pull out my hair. It apparently counts as OCD, which is why when people make OCD jokes, like it kind of grates me a little bit. Like, one of the reasons why I shaved my head was so that I wouldn't fucking, you know, pull hair from my noggin. But now I'm, you know, here we go. And it's also why I have no eyebrows. So they stuck me on meds for it, and it bothers me when people make OCD jokes and they are confusing OCD with anal retentiveness. So I will not hesitate to correct them, because I take great offense to people who treat OCD somewhat flippantly. It's one thing if I'm just like casually like pulling or whatever, but it's another when I get caught in a loop and I don't realize that I'm doing it, and then all of a sudden I have no hair and I'm stuck for like 2 hours while I'm just sitting there pulling my hair out, and I can't stop. That happens when I get particularly stressed out. I'm a relatively recent Mac user. Up until then, I was PC all the way. I still have my PC, but this guy was running pretty great. I guess I might be going back to PC. My old ass PC. If that is running better and more consistently than my Mac, then I might be going back. An hour and a half later is still booting stuff, which is some bullshit. So I grew up Buddhist, and we don't celebrate Christmas. We don't have holidays. So I treat May as my birthday month, and I celebrate it all month long, kind of like people celebrate Christmas. Now, Greg's birthday is in December. I can decorate the house and make cookies and, you know, put up the tree and buy gifts and stuff like that in honor of my husband's birthday, instead of the birthday or the solstice of stealing. It's a long reasoning that I have. I'm not pagan and I'm not Christian, so there's no point in me going into all of that. Let me think. I sat down at 10:30, it is now 12:11, and I still can't do basic things on my Computron, so while I'm waiting for it to suck, I'm going to show you guys some tricks and a Balisong. I'm going to show you, I think it's called an apple picker or a cherry picker. I don't know. I learned it on YouTube. Oh my god. This is an awkward angle. Make sure that you don't have the bite, that you have the back of the blade, right? right, flip it open. Does that make sense? Probably not. Oh. I think it's called a trick. I don't know. Please, if you know what the fuck that is, just hook me up in the comments. Appreciate that. We're officially at 2.5 hours and I'm still trying to do basic things. I've made a little bit of progress, a little bit, but so it's 4 o'clock and I'm still waiting. Take a little selfie with my kitty butt. Ooh. Yeah. Oh. Bathing time. Bathing time. Looking out the window time. Yeah. It's 5:30 and I'm still waiting. Okay, it's 7 o'clock p.m. and I think progress has been made. I'm trying to launch a program. Fingers crossed.